Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an easy glow up transformation. So first I'm starting with skincare and I'm applying the Paula's Choice Hyaluronic Acid Booster. Next I'm applying the Paula's Choice Omega Plus Complex Serum with chia and flaxseed. And lastly, I'm applying the Paula's Choice Water-Infused Electrolyte Moisturizer with potassium and magnesium. Then for makeup, first I'm applying the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream in the shade Medium 310C with Cool Peach undertones, and blending it out on my entire face with a beauty blender. Next for blush, I'm using the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick in the shade Glimmering Guava and blending it out with my beauty blender. Then I'm contouring my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the shade 375 Java. And setting my face with the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Powder in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. Next, I'm brushing up my eyebrows and filling them out with the LA Colors Brow Pencil in the shade Medium. Then I'm darkening my bottom lash line with the LA Colors Black Eyeliner Pencil. Next, I'm highlighting with the e.l.f. Powder Highlighter in the shade Apricot Glow. And next for lip gloss, I'm using the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Ruby. And lastly, for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in the color Black is Black. finally for my hair, I'm putting on this lace front wig that I got from Sam's Beauty. And this is the Outre hand-tied full lace wig in the color 2. And I love the waves this wig has, and I also noticed that it's really soft and it doesn't tangle easily. And of course, because I'm way too lazy to glue down the wig, I'm just trimming the lace and securing the wig down by styling my hair with a bandana. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like this video, comment below any video ideas you would like to see from me on my channel, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.